Okay. Yes, the phone was having some conniption fit stuff, so hopefully we'll try to get some stuff in before Aaron's train comes. Morning, morning.
Morning.
Try this again. So, I noticed something, and I'm not sure how well you guys are going to be able to see it. But like I said, I talked about the other, was it Monday morning, that they're tearing these things up again. But it looks like they're putting like a concrete pour down there. This is the other end of the platform. And I don't know what they're, just to look myself. Yeah, it seems like they're digging over there.
No idea why they have both sides, but
Like I said, they could be putting in another, like, because like I said, the people that work in this building usually get off and walk straight down the track. We've been noticing that since you've been on the Max.
yeah.
People get off and they'll just like walk off, and it's illegal. So if they put at least some small, like whatever they can do on TriMet property, and put just a sidewalk over there, people will get across there and be safe in the field at least. And maybe the whole thing is, oh, here comes your train. Maybe the whole thing is so that, because someone is wanting to buy that field.
Could be. And this way they'll have really good access.
Yeah, be a selling point.
Yeah.
Who knows, maybe Spect or whoever owns the field. The thing is, Spect,
Yeah.
whatever. I haven't seen their sign up though. It's almost like the cricket team bought it.
Yeah, the sign keeps popping up and down.
Yeah. But yeah, it's like, are they going to put an entrance in right there to the Nike track? Because that would be really, really cool. What do you think?
Yeah, it would be very cool. Sorry, I was watching the train.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
zoom, go get on your train. I'll hit record on this so we can actually save a video. We good here? Whatever. So, Willie finally got back to me. I'm going to record while I'm going out and doing stuff because, yeah. So, it's the building. I was like, oh God, I am way more red, but when the building's kind of brownish red and it's directing light right at it. There we go. Anyways, so yeah, I'm going to head down. We're going to do Hills. I may take him by the Nike store before that, because he kind of wants to run by there for a friend. I don't know. We'll have to see when I talk to him. Yeah. So, okay. And then I'm going to head by Freddy's after that. Alright. So, I just dropped Willie off. We chatted about Spider-Man and honest, weirdly racism in a weird way. And then more Spider-Man and Deadpool. Like, he hadn't actually seen the trailer yet. I should send him a link on Facebook. I should tag him in a post. Yeah. So, anyways, yay, roundabouts. I love that we're putting in more roundabouts around here. Aha! It's because they're so much easier, at least on the Prius. I love the fact that I'm going to be in the left of the right of the left turn lane. Okay. So yeah, I'm heading to Freddy's now and whatnot. The car's so quiet because oh, now the engine started. So, come on, bicyclist. Alright, sweet. Whatever. I give them their due, they give me mine. They're using less. They're damaging the environment less than I am. But, they're also staying more fit. I don't know. Whatever. Only when they act like assholes when I have a problem with them. They follow their prescribed rules of the road that are in, like, the driver's manual, then fine. But anyways, so I'm going to be going through weird roads here and going up and down and whatnot. What the Oh, there's a high school going in there. All right. Check you guys here at the store. Okay. Well, I'm just going to sign this off here because the phone's trying to upload the videos from earlier, and I need to turn that off so I can yank them, because I yank them straight from the phone now, off the USB. So, yeah, I forgot cheese. I kind of had a mild anxiety attack while I was in the store, which is weird because that happens at Freddy's, and I'm like, what? Because I had a different cart, and Wednesdays I arrange everything in the cart perfectly so I can just sort of peruse over and go, yep, I have everything, and I miss shredded cheese. So either I'm going out later today or I'm just gonna head up tomorrow. I have therapy tomorrow anyways. I'll just do it then, because we don't need shredded cheese, but for, oh, what about chili? I don't know what I'm doing later today for food. But I got to get this thing on the charger, and then hopefully it will finish doing what it does, because it's freaking out right now. Then I'll get a hold of Mom over Facebook and whatnot. Yeah, catch you guys tomorrow.